Adjutant online. Good evening, Magistrate. I'll fill you in on what's been happening. Confederate traffic has increased substantially within the system due to the recent Protoss destruction of the Chasara colony. The Confederates have tightened security on all outlying systems, and it's likely that this colony will be locked down as well. An encrypted Confederate transmission came for you while you were at dinner. Replaying transmission.
Greetings, Magistrate. I'm General Edmund Duke of the Confederate Security Forces Alpha Squadron. The Confederacy has quarantined this entire planet, and we'll proceed with a lockdown within 48 hours. You're to relocate your core colonists to the outlying wastelands. Now, I know there won't be any problems with these new arrangements.
Transmission ended. I have contacted the local marshal, James Raynor. Raynor has agreed to meet your personnel en route and escort them to the new Wasteland site.
Give me something to shoot.
I read you. Right away, sir.
Commander.
I can't believe we're being sent to the Wasteland. These Confederates think they can push anybody around.
Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Outstanding.
Howdy, boys. I'm Jim Raynor, Marshal of these parts.
This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Sounds fun. Oh yeah. Sounds fun.
Give me something to shoot.
Reporting for duty. Right away, sir. Roger that. Orders received. Right away, sir. I read you.
Go ahead, Commander. Right on. This should be good. Oh yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Sounds fun. Anytime you're ready.
Yes, sir? SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir? SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Roger that. Right away, sir. Orders received.
Raynor here. Right on.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain?
Your forces are under
Go
attack.
ahead, Commander. Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Sounds fun.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders received.
Jacked up and good to go.
Go ahead, Commander. This is Jimmy. This should be good.
I read you.
Infantry units such as Marines can be trained at this facility.
Sounds fun.
Orders, Captain?
Not enough minerals.
Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. This should be good.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Go ahead, Commander. Right on. This is Jimmy.
I read you. Job finished. You want a piece of me, boy? Reporting for duty.
Not enough minerals.
Orders received. You want a piece of me, boy? I read you.
Raynor here. Anytime you're
Job
ready.
finished.
Jacked up and good to go. You
Orders,
want a piece of
Captain?
me, boy? You want a piece of me, boy?